Hi guys, so it's 9:46 and I'm going to sleep in 10. So this is my sleeping position. Here's Abby, and this is my pillow. Let me show you how I use this. So I use that sort for the low lighting. Right. I need a stand. Like put all the cushion here and fold. And this is where Sky is sleeping. And tomorrow is the exam day. It's the exam day. Let me show Sky. That is my mom. It's so cute. No. She likes it. She likes it. Let me show you my sleeping position. I'm going to go. So this is my bag. What's the bag read? Okay. Wait, let me just get something here. My pens. I need a pen. Because I don't have a ball pen. And so let's open this bag. Ayan, ito sa bulsa niya, sa palda niya. Ish. So let me just fix this. If I don't fix this, I'm going to fall. So we're going to do the bag raid tomorrow. We're going to do the bag raid tomorrow. So this is how I sleep. It's really here. I'm going to lay down now and wait. Just put Sky's. This is her blanket. Listen, get that. Listen. Huh? She's glad to get something. Bye guys. See you in the morning. Maybe I'll do a part 2 because I'm just going to make this video like 9 minutes to 8 minutes straight. So bye guys. Hi guys. It's morning na. And it's 9:17. Pupunta kami sa school ng mga 11 or 12. Ako siguro mga 12. Kasi 1 ang pasok namin. So, ito ang susuotin ko kasi Lunes. Palda. And t-shirt. So, ibabag-grade ko na kayo guys. Double chin. So, ito pa yung Suotin ko mamaya. Tapos ito. Magpupunitin lang ako. Tapos ito. Bag raid time! So, this is my bag. Ano naman siya maraming loob. So, unang-una is makikita mo to. Wallet. May 100 ako. Tas mga barya. Beads. Kasi gagawa kami ng bracelet. Tas mga stickers pang design sa notes. Crayons. Ito, ewan ko kung saan yan. And 3 notebooks. Kasi baka ipapasa namin. At saka, TLE Filipino at Science lang naman. And yes, grade 6 ako. Yun lang naman. Pockets. Okay. Daliin na natin ito guys, dahil 2 minutes na. So, eto, mga highlighter lang naman. Ito ko siya linagay sa box. Dahil gusto ko naman. Meron pa ako gunting, lapis, marker, sharpener, at sa pockets. Yun lang naman guys. Maliligo ako mamaya pa kakain namin. Binigay ito sa akin sa BTS. Ready naman. Cute lang. So, mauuna siguro guys si ate. Pumasok. May magre-review pa daw siya. Ako to sa magre-review. So, i-review muna natin yung tumbler. Ito yung tumbler ko, guys. Parang baso lang siya. Reveal muna natin. Ito yung takip. Cold water, malamang. So, na-repair ko na siya, guys. Ito na tayo sa kwarto. Sorry, guys, kung messy ang room ko. Nadala din ako guys ng earpods. Para sa isa, para maka-relax. So bye guys, update ko na lang kaya pagkakain na kami. Bye! Tapos na ako guys magkarigos. Ano guys, tuck in or like that. Noodles ang ulam guys. Tapos na ako guys kumain. Si ate. Ma-make up pa. Yan si ate guys. So, nag-aayos man kita. So, screen na ako guys. Me down. Pwede na. Yeah. Guys, look. Kung ayos na siya. Hi guys. Mag-hi ka.
Hi.
So, wala dito bantay. Hi guys, so nandito na ako sa bahay namin. At hindi ko na kayo napakita sa school. Dahil na-busy na ako sa exam. So, di pa ako nakagawa ng outro. So, bye guys!